Okay, what we have is a dead Paslode battery. This isn't something I came up with. This is just something I saw on YouTube, and I'm just redoing it so anybody out there might get it. It looked like it was a real old video, so I put it on volts direct current, and I check, and I got 40.2 millionths of a volt. So when I put it on the charger, it goes to flashing like that. So it basically says it's no good. Flashes back and forth. So take that out and set it there. I have my my battery charger here, and give it a turn. Right now it's charging my trailer ladder lights. So we'll go ahead and I'll disconnect it. Alright. So with that disconnected, now I'm just going to go ahead and switch my charger over to the 6-volt setting. And they say you put the negative on this side, the positive on this side. And I could see a little spark there, and so it's charging. So he waited a few minutes for it when he did it. I don't know how long we'll need to wait for ours. I think his was a big car charging one, so he there's no telling how much he was able to put it, how slow. Mine's putting this, let's see, 15 amps, 6 volts. So I wish I had a 2 amp 6 volt setting. I think that would be better, but it didn't take him maybe a minute or so. So I didn't look at the time here when I started. If I'd done that, that would have helped. So I'll just hold on it. You guys can look at the time to see how much I hold it on there for how long. Well, basically what he was saying is that the charger, because the battery's so low that the charger doesn't read it being in there. It basically says that there's nothing there. So all right, that right there is I think about a minute. So I'm just going to pull it off and check and see if we got anything. This is a small battery, obviously, so I'll put the clamps there. Now we'll check this. And I got 7.3 volts. I don't know if you can see that here. I'll angle that. So I got 7.24 volts. All right. So now let's put this in the charger here. And that's amazing because I was just getting ready to buy a battery. So it's charging now. So before you spend your $11, $20, $30 or throw out your Paslode battery because it's no good, you may want to just give this a try. I'll be honest, I'm shocked. I'll charge this and then I'll shoot another video of it coming out of the charger. I'm sure there'll be some people that say, oh, he switched batteries, but I promise you this is the only one I have for my gun. I'm not a construction guy. I was just a guy building a shed that picked up a Paslode nailer, and it's worked fantastic. But unfortunately, I left that battery sitting in it for about 3 weeks in between using it, fully inserted, and I'd say that little LED light eventually just wore it completely down. So, all right, there it is. I mean, that's pretty cool. All right, here we go. It's says it's good. It says it's charged up. So I brought the gun in and let's see. Just take it out here. Got some more over here. Here's an old plank. Just fire one in it. Yep. Sweet. Yeah, it definitely worked. Give it a try. Hope that helps you guys.